everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 10 IT, Information Technology. Chapter 5 Green Economy. Questions and answers. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Sustainable development means wise use of natural resources to save them. B. Solar energy is harnessed from the sun using solar panels. C. Ecosystem is designed in such a way where species are dependent upon one another for their survival. 2. Select the most suitable alternative. A. Which of the following reduces dependency on groundwater? I. Rainwater harvesting. E. Fossil fuel. E. Underground borewells. IV. None of these. Answer. I. Rainwater harvesting. B. Which of the following is a hindrance to sustainable development? I. Lack of awareness. E. Luxurious lifestyle. E. Both I and E. IV. None of these. Answer. E. Both I and E. C. Which of the following is a prime cause of environmental degradation? I. Increasing population. E. Need for comfort. E. Both I and E. IV. None of these. Answer. E. Both I and E. 3. Write short notes on a ecosystem. Answer. An ecosystem is a community where living organisms interact with each other and with their non-living environment, like air, water, and soil, for survival and balance. B. Sustainable development. Answer. Sustainable development means fulfilling the needs of the present without harming the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It focuses on environment, economy, and society. C. Crop rotation. Answer. Crop rotation is the practice of growing different types of crops in the same field in different seasons. It improves soil fertility and prevents pests and diseases. D. Green economy. Answer. Green economy refers to an economy that aims at reducing environmental risks and ecological scarcities. It promotes sustainable development without degrading the environment. 4. Answer the following questions. A. Explain rainwater harvesting and its advantages. Answer. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for reuse. Advantages. I. Reduces dependency on groundwater. E. Recharges groundwater levels. E. Prevents water scarcity. IV. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. B. What is the importance of sustainable development? Answer. Sustainable development is important because it ensures environmental protection, economic growth, and social well-being. It helps in using natural resources wisely so that future generations are not deprived of them. C. Explain the problems that arise during sustainable development. Answer. Problems include I. Lack of awareness among people. E. Overuse of natural resources. E. Pollution and environmental degradation. IV. Luxurious lifestyle and increasing population. V. Poor implementation of eco-friendly policies. D. Explain the aims of implementing sustainable development goals. Answer. The main aims are I. Eradicating poverty and hunger. E. Promoting good health and education. E. Ensuring clean water and energy. IV. Protecting the environment. V. Creating economic growth and decent work for all. A. What is the difference between natural and artificial environment? Answer. Natural environment, created by nature, like rivers, mountains, forests, etc. Closing parenthesis. Artificial environment, made by humans, like buildings, roads, vehicles, etc. Closing parenthesis. Natural environment supports life directly, while artificial environment is for comfort and development. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Please